I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And I am beyond thrilled to be in the beautiful community of DelWebb, Ponte Vedra, joined by the beautiful Gretchen. And she's going to show us one of their incredible models. So thanks for having us, Gretchen.
Oh, we are so excited to have you here at DelWebb, and let's get inside and look at this Infinity.
Sounds good.
I've been so excited to see this model because some people just walked out of it and told us how incredible it was. So I am beyond excited. Okay,
wow.
It does have a lot of wow factor, doesn't it?
I was not expecting this. Everyone, again, hard to see on camera, but this is not what I was expecting. This is the most beautiful, large, open floor plan I think we've seen yet.
Well, yeah, we have 2634 square feet all on one story in a big open floor plan. So there's a lot of opportunity for entertaining and gathering in this home.
It's incredible.
Let's go over this way.
So is this, oh, storage. You know this is storage. Hold on.
And never have too much.
No, we got to show this.
Wow.
And it's deep. It's very
Holy
deep.
cow.
So this is terrific. No, we love storage in a house.
Yeah, nice.
Right.
Okay, what is this?
This is a beautiful guest room here at the front of the home. It's conveniently located and separated from the master bedroom. And the nice thing is there's a nice bathroom very close by for your guests.
This is nice. So if you do have people visiting, they're not necessarily right next to the owner's suite, which is really nice.
Yeah.
And then this would also be the powder room when you have guests.
Yeah, that's the one that everybody
Okay.
will use when
This
they're
would be
hanging
the
out
one.
and having a good time
I
here.
love that. Look at this beautiful dining area. Can we get this, Carlene? I love that this area is also incorporated with the kitchen and main living space. I bet this is very popular with people.
It is. You know, Heather, you can be as formal or as informal as you want to be with this setup because it'll house that beautiful furniture
It
that
does.
you've had that's heirloom, or you can go all new coastal and just have a great party
No,
house
I love
here.
that. No, this is incredible. It is, and because you have the two solid walls, if you do have the beautiful china and stuff, you can still keep that, like you're saying.
Absolutely.
So I love this space. Tell us about this.
Sure. If you leave it open without the doors, we call it a flex space. Obviously, it could be an exercise room or a yoga room or meditation, whatever you need it for. But you put the doors on it, it's a beautiful office or den space. We have the option for the tray ceiling. And it's just a great space if you wanted to go by yourself and watch TV on your own. There's another space for it.
I love that. And also the height of the ceilings, it's really nice in here, very airy.
It makes it feel like we have a lot of volume in here. And the reason is the ceilings are 9 feet tall.
9 feet tall. Very nice.
And you'll notice we did an option with 8-foot doors here to make it feel even bigger.
Okay, I'm insisting that everyone do that. Everybody needs to do that because honestly, it makes everything just seem so much larger than it is. You've got to do these 8-foot doors. You've got to. Okay.
And this is another kind of surprise in the house. It's a full guest suite in here. So if you just get around the corner, you'll notice there's a full bath.
Now you've got to get this, Carling. So this is perfect because this one has the bathroom in the bedroom. So this really is your true guest suite on this side.
Absolutely.
Love it. Purely incredible. And I've got to show this laundry room because I do love a laundry room. I love that they're showing us that you can put lots of cabinetry in here. You've got the sink in here. It's wide enough. I'm not feeling, tight in the space.
Right.
I just want to point that out to people. And can we show the garage?
Yeah.
Because another thing with DelWebb, what they've done, a 3-car garage, but this is a true 3-car.
Wow.
Tandem, and there's plenty of room, by the way. I mean, you could put an expedition in here, seriously.
Yeah.
And you can put your golf cart, but you can put all your tools.
I was going to say, you can put an expedition, but you want to put your golf cart so you can get around better inside of Nocatee.
I just want people to know how big it is. It is huge. Huge, huge. Okay. And then, Carlin, you're just passing the best thing for storage.
We opened that for me.
You've got to show this. Again, lots of storage. So Pulte Homes, the one thing they've done a great job, they're not leaving any corner not used. They're really showing you how you can use the space wisely.
Wow.
Okay, Gretchen. This is really the wow factor. It really is. So talk to us about this beautiful kitchen.
Well, this is absolutely the gourmet kitchen of your dreams.
It really is.
And we have really utilized the space. You see the cabinets are functional.
It's nice.
Not just decorative on the ends of the beautiful large island. So there's another spot. You can lay out a beautiful large buffet here, or just have friends sit here at the bar and have a glass of wine with you, because the wine cooler is right over there.
And I want to let people know they've only put 3 chairs here. You can easily fit 5 chairs here comfortably. You've got a great pantry in the corner. Let's actually show that, because I want people to see.
Oh,
Lots of
wow.
Yeah, there really is. And I love that you put the wine cooler at the end of this beautiful, right this direction, right over here. You've got a great wine cooler over there. You've got storage. This gourmet kitchen really speaks to entertaining, cooking if you love to cook. This really is the kitchen for you.
Absolutely, and just another place to relax and hang out with your friends here in the breakfast nook. Have a cup of coffee, have a great chat.
I mean, this has to be a wildly popular floor plan.
It is.
It really. And I want to remind people why we're in here. DelWebb Ponte Vedra. It's an active adult lifestyle. Tell us about that amazing clubhouse you have.
Heather, it is all about the lifestyle at DelWebb for sure. And this is not too shabby of a place to live, but really you want to spend your time at our 38,000 square foot clubhouse. I like to say it's 38,000 square feet of fun there.
It really is, though.
Indoor pool, outdoor pool, craft rooms,
Workout room. You've got like a library in there.
fitness facility, billiards. There's a kiln if you want to make ceramics.
It's got to be kidding. See, DelWebb, you can literally live here and never leave. Let's be honest. And the best part is when you live in DelWebb, you get all the amazing amenities they offer, but you literally step out of their gated with the guard community, and you're in the incredible award-winning community of Nocatee. And only a mile and a half down the road on your golf cart is the public shopping center, your doctor's office, your eye doctor's office, restaurants. So a mile and a half down the road, and it's incredible. This is the place to live.
I like to say it's like a cruise ship on land.
It really is. Well, we say that in the Welcome Center. DelWebb is a cruise ship on the ground. It really is. Now look at this outdoor.
Wow.
So again, you're showing us all the upgrades and things you can do. So they did this amazing walk down the stairs. You've got a fire pit down there, a beautiful preserve lot. And y'all have done a lot of preserve lots in
Let me get
DelWebb.
this view.
We do.
Coming back.
The cover of the eye is an included part that has the pavers already.
Yes.
And then you can see what you can do with your imagination here. And it's just a great place to celebrate.
It really is, and you're really showing this, Carling, how,
Yeah.
I mean, that collapsible door, it goes all the way behind a wall, by the way. So when you're inside the house, you are not seeing this glass door. You
No,
literally
not at
are
all.
just purely looking outside. So I want this house, okay? I can't wait to be 55. I am moving here, I swear. I mean, this is an incredible home, but an incredible neighborhood. And also all the people, if you don't have a friend when you move here because you're from out of town, you don't know anybody, the minute you move to DelWebb Ponte Vedra, you instantly have friends. Because another thing y'all are known for is all the clubs you have and the interest groups. And you literally can be tied in with women and men that have those exact same interests. And if for some reason you are interested in something that they haven't already created, you can do it yourself.
That's right. You can form your own new club in the form of an interest group.
See,
So we have 37 charter clubs right now.
Wow.
you're never bored.
Oh my goodness. If you're bored, it's your own fault.
I told somebody yesterday in the Welcome Center, I said, if you don't have a friend, it's actually you. It's you. Okay.
Yeah, the minute you walk into the Anastasia Club, there's going to be an ambassador there to greet you, and you have a friend.
And they're so friendly, by the way. I want to point that out. The people that work at the front desk, I know they are residents themselves, but they are incredibly calming.
Yeah. Hey, what about this owner suite here?
Well, this is beautiful. Oh,
Yep.
Y'all, this
I'll
shower, tisk, tisk, tisk. I mean, this is
Wow.
the shower.
How nice.
That is a fun shower right there.
That's-
Very, very beautiful. Oversized. And then look at this incredible, we've got beautiful walk-in closet.
Wow.
And then I'll open this up as you come out.
Okay.
Because there is a linen closet separate. And that's important because not every builder does
Oh
do,
my God.
they do the linen closet.
That's right. You know, that's really make or break it for some people.
Yes,
They
I
don't have
agree.
that separate space.
No,
Wow.
I totally agree. So I want to remind people that we are in the incredible active adult community called DelWebb Ponte Vedra, and I'm with the beautiful Gretchen, one of the amazing site agents. So I want everyone to come out here and get to know DelWebb. And also I want to remind people you have an incredible experience explore DelWebb program. Can you tell us just briefly about that?
Boy, it's a way to try it before you buy it. If you want to live here, you can come stay in a fully furnished home like this.
Amazing.
With a golf cart and a couple of bikes and helmets, and you get passes to the clubhouse, and you can just stay here and enjoy yourself with full capacity for 2 or 3 days.
So you're living the lifestyle, and then you can
Yeah.
come when there's food truck nights at the Splash Water Park, which is a minimum of twice a month. We've got a full bar at the water park, beer, wine, and liquor. We've got incredible pools up there also. Pickleball courts is huge here. So I just want to remind people, come out to DelWebb Ponte Vedra in Nocatee. And again, this is Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, Heather.
Bye.
Bye.